So go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
My name's Tim.
Great. So what brought you into NUCCA?
Well, my wife had seen probably 3 different chiropractors, and nothing was really working for her. She tried acupuncture, that didn't really work. Friends of ours told her about Dr. Lapenski, so she thought she'd try it out, and she did, and it's done wonders for her. And I had lower back pain pretty often. Started going about 12 years ago here, and seeing Dr. Lapenski, and my wife at first, backtracking, would explain to me what he does, and I'm like, what? I couldn't understand what she was trying to describe. So I came in and watched, and I was like, wow, that's different. And so went to a, info meeting on a weeknight where he tells you what he does, tells you whether he can help you, and all of that, and talked about the brain and spinal cord being the main things, because that's when you were a fetus, were the 2 first things that made you. And so I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try, and so I did, and I've been going, I already said 12 years, but I noticed a difference right away. It took me a little bit to hold my alignment because, I'd been out for so long. And I think there's been a time where I've held for close to 3 years.
Wow.
So my alignment. And so it's good for me in that when I'm adjusted, if I'm out, I feel immediate relief. And others, it takes a little longer. And so that is like wonderful. My head clears up, and that area where I've had pain in the past, if I'm out, it's way better. And so, I would recommend it, definitely. I do recommend it. I tell people, but it's like you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. So, I actually recommended Dr. Lapenski to a guy at church yesterday, so that had hurt his back, and I have to others, but we all have to make decisions. So, yeah.
So what have you seen this do for your quality of life?
Oh, it's much better. I've been healthier, and all the way around. Allergies, still get them, but not as extreme. And obviously, you still get sick. You're human, but at times. But just my back's better, and neck and all, and the spinal area. It's just better.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Oh, you bet.
Yeah.
Anytime.